train your English voice to use relative clauses who, that, and which to join sentences. We use relative clauses who, that, and which to join sentences to give more information about the noun. For example, the criminal stole a painting. The painting was very expensive. When we join those two sentences, we say, the criminal stole the painting which was very expensive. Another example, he's the man who helped me when I lost my car keys. Sometimes the verb is followed by a preposition, for example, to, at, or in, etc. For example, Jane is talking to the comedian. Do you know the comedian? When we join those two sentences, we say, do you know the comedian who Jane is talking to? Or, I'm writing a letter to my friend who lives in the city.